Peace, family. I'm your natural mystic medicine man, and today I want to talk about 3 plants that you can grow in your own backyard that are going to provide you with vitamin B6, vitamin C, and or vitamin A. Now, vitamin B6 is good to help boost your energy. It's like an upper. It's going to fight depression or help you fight depression. Vitamin C, among other things, is going to boost your immune system. And we know that we need that in cold and flu season. And vitamin A is going to, not only is it going to help boost your immune system, but it's also going to promote good skin health and good eye health. Now, all 3 of these plants have multiple edible parts. The first one is carrots. And we tend to think of carrots as only eating the actual carrot, which you see some popping up down in there. These are short and sweets, but we like to leave the carrot in the ground because the carrot tops are just as nutritious as the carrots themselves, and you can cut and come again. So I like to come in, and if we take this leaf, I won't take the whole leaf. I'll take half of the leaf, like so. Take half of the leaf, and I can actually just pop that right in my mouth now. Excuse me as I talk with my mouth full. That's pretty good. The next plant that we want to talk about are sunchokes. I don't even want to call them the other name. I want to get out of the habit of calling them the other name that they go by, the more popular name, because it absolutely has nothing to do with Jerusalem. So I'll just leave that alone. But sunchokes are edible. The leaves are edible. And this being October the 17th, we're not quite ready to harvest them. But once these leaves really start yellowing, you have a little bit of yellowing going on here. But once all of them really start yellowing, then we'll get down into the soil and harvest the sunchokes. So the last plant we want to talk about is sweet potatoes. Everybody knows that the sweet potatoes are edible and delicious, no matter how you make them. You can do sweet potato souffle. You can boil them. You can mash them. You can, I don't know, eat sweet potato chips. There's so many different ways to prepare sweet potatoes. But you can also eat the sweet potato greens. And the greens, or the leaves, contain just as much nutrition as the sweet potato. The sweet potato contains vitamin B6, vitamin C, and it also contains an amount of vitamin A that's simply off of the charts. To me, this is the most powerful and slept on, if you will, as we like to say in the DC area, plant there is. But those are the 3 plants we wanted to talk about today: sweet potato, carrot, and sunchoke. This has been your natural mystic medicine man. I'm going to talk to you real soon. Peace and guidance.
Five a.m. Wake up now. Wake up. Sun coming up. Let us show how to plant that seed. Cause black people need to do it for themselves. Cause we can't wait on no one else.
Stand up for your right.